Hello, hello, hello. Welcome again to Solomon's Fitness World. And I have my beautiful black queen behind me giving me the ultimate support. And man, family, I wanted to show and talk about this one video that I seen with this one beautiful pregnant woman. And she's actually doing chin-ups while being pregnant. Wow, I actually never would have thought a woman would even attempt to do that while being pregnant. But it just shows how strong women are, and it just shows me also her will to just want to upkeep herself and just not let herself go. I just applaud her for just putting in the effort, extra effort into wanting to just look her best and still wanting to go and be active and be healthy. So I had to go and make a video about me showing and talk about this one lady's postpartum journey with her doing chin ups with no band, just like that. I was just so shocked. I mean, I'm so shocked now by me just even watching it. So I'm gonna show you all the clip and we're gonna talk about it. So just in case it's pretty much some women out there that you're pretty much pregnant now, or you actually, pretty much are thinking or looking for a way to get some extra motivation, I thought that this video would be a good example of how strong you are and what you can do if you just put your mind to it and just want to put the work in and just invest in yourself. So look at this. So she's 9 months pregnant. She's cranking out her chin ups, and look at her. That's her right after that. This is her 2 to 5 months postpartum while she's still doing her chin ups. But just think about it though. So for her to have the strength to be able to do chin ups while she was 9 months pregnant, I'm gonna show you some more videos of it though. So yeah, look at her. I mean, cause hold on a second. You pause it right there. Hold on 1 second. So yeah, so you see that though, y'all. It's just that she has the will to win, and then just man, I mean, I'm just so impressed with her. I definitely wanted to talk about it because it's just that I know that women are capable of doing so much. They just need the right kind of support and just the right kind of will to want to do it. Look at that, y'all. So that sight to me is so beautiful. This woman doing a chin up while holding her baby in front of her. I mean, I was just so impressed when I seen this though. I had to go and talk about it. So it looks good. I mean, it just shows how capable a woman is of doing certain things. We come down to her keeping her tempo up, her just wanting to just have more energy, her wanting to have a strong body to go and pretty much have for her beautiful new child that was coming. Here she is right here, cranking out those push-ups just like that. I mean, I am so impressed with her. So definitely, I could tell y'all that pretty much her man. I don't know. I guess that's a man in the back. I think it is. That's a man that's supporting her. And then that's what I realized that women need. Women need the ultimate support that's going to keep them focused on prioritizing their health, prioritizing their self care, and that's what even somebody as myself, I come in to help women. So my business is to help women be the best version of themselves by them tapping into their full potential while I hold them accountable to the highest level. And that's what people need. So it's so much going on, but just by her to just want to just be her strongest version of herself, and she wanted to maintain as much muscle as she could possible while still being pregnant. I just love that. So I pretty much wanted to show that, and definitely this is just amazing for her to pretty much to be on her road to getting her body back, which it looked like she almost pretty much haven't even lost her body even while being pregnant. So yeah, it's just that there's so much that a woman can do, but she just has to want to just put the work in and just have the right kind of support behind her, and that's pretty much all what it takes. Because I pretty much always have admired women that when it comes down to women just giving birth and going through that whole process of 9 months, and when I look at her, it had me to say, wow, the woman that I go and pretty much get pregnant, I want her. Or I mean, I hope and pray that she's the woman that wants to go and prioritize her health while still wanting to work on herself while being pregnant. I would be just so proud of her and I would be cheering her on. And now, I mean, I kind of want to say that's my vision or that's my standard as to how I would want my woman to be when it comes down to her giving birth to to our child. So this inspires me to have a woman that I can pretty much go and help her while she's building up herself up, while she's getting ready to deliver and bring me our beautiful kids. So when I seen that, that just pretty much, just made my heart like, wow, look at the ambition, look at the strength, look at the courage of this beautiful Black woman wanting to do better and not just wanting to just to go and pretty much just sit down and just eat whatever she want to eat and then just make excuses after excuses because she's pregnant. So I just never seen that before. So I wanted to go and talk to you all about it and show you all what possible if you just want to do it, if you just want to put the work in, if you just want to just be the best version of yourself. I want to help you be the best version of yourself. Ladies, I ain't tired of having that flat pancake butt. I got something for you. Simon Fitness Wear bands. I got booty bands, ankle bands. I got the worst for y'all. So Stormy, she's going to demonstrate how to do the leg lifts with the booty band and ankle band to get double the booty results. Give me 5 some, man. We're going to do leg lifts, good. Leg lifts, good. But it works the core more. It works the glutes. Give me 2 more. So if you're running a little bit on time and you want the booty gains, get Simon Fitness Wear bands. Go to SimonFitnessWear.com. We the best. So if you all are looking for help where you can pretty much tap into your full potential by having the highest level of accountability possible, you can go and fill out my application below, and I see if my training program is a good fit for you, because I have different things that help my clients to hold them accountable that most trainers don't have. I have different habits that I pretty much go and give my clients based off of what they tell me in the application, and I would give them 3 different habits for them to focus on for 3 weeks while I would make sure that the client does it. And that changes everything. And I also can see what they're eating in real time. And I give them 5 different ways that they can go and log their macros, and I get to see in real time what they're eating. So they can follow the meal plan. I give them a few different ways. They can use my barcode scanner. So I go into that more. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. And ladies, I hope that you all got encouraged to go and prioritize your self-care and just to don't give up on your body. Your body is a beautiful thing, and you can pretty much do so much. And if you all are interested in getting help, you can contact me. You can fill out the application, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. We are out.